Hello everyone, how are you? I am Ashok and today I am here with you with another grammar topic, and that's called past continuous tense. So let's get started. Dhoni was playing cricket. Dhoni was playing cricket. So here Dhoni is a subject, was is a helping verb, and playing is VING, and cricket is an object. So we'll have to check what is the meaning of the sentence. Dhoni was playing cricket. What is the meaning of the sentence? So here Dhoni was playing cricket. It means Dhoni cricket खेल रहा था. How we can say? धोनी क्रिकेट खेल रहा था. तो सेंटेंस का मतलब होता है कि धोनी क्रिकेट खेल रहा था. मराठी धोनी क्रिकेट खेलत होता. So here we can check what is the tense. Exactly, we have to check it. Was and were are always used in past tense, and ing form is there. That ing form is continuous aspect. What is ing? Ing means continuous aspect. So here we can say past continuous tense. What we can say? Past continuous tense. So here I'll write it. Past continuous. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Now what is structure of it? Structure of this tense that we are going to see here. It will be structure subject plus was or were plus VING plus object. We got the structure here. What is the structure? Subject, was, were, VING plus object. Once again, subject, was, were, VING plus object. What is VING? Continuous form of the verb, of the main verb. That's called VING. Now, where to use was and where to use were, that we'll check it first. So here, I, he, she, it, and you can take a name, for example, Raj. Here you can use was. Here you can use was. I, he, she, it, and a name. For that you can use was. And where to use were? It can be we, you, and they. For these all pronouns you can use were, as all these are plural pronouns. So here you can use were, you or we, you, they. It will be were. I, he, she, it, and Raj. You can use was. Here we, you, they. You can use were. These all are plural and these all are singular. That's the difference. Now, what will be the use of this tense? Use of this tense? A particular action continued in the past. It was happening. For that you can call it past continuous tense. A particular action continued in the past. For that we can use past continuous tense. So here that particular action continued in the past. It means Dhoni was playing cricket. That happened in the past, not now or not like tomorrow. That was happening in the past time. So here we can write down the use. Action continued in the past. In the past. But now we have to understand that action either finished or not. We don't know. That action continued. We don't know whether that action finished or not. May be finished or may not be. So for that we can call it past continuous tense. That certain action continued in the past. For that we can call it past continuous tense. So here we can have some examples. We can have some examples here. So example number 1. I was reading a book. I was reading a book. It means yesterday at the same time I was reading a book. Yesterday at the same time I was reading a book. Now another sentence. He was studying grammar. He was studying grammar. It means yesterday at the same time he was studying grammar. So for that we can use this tense. Now here we have to use some sentences where we can use were. So look at this. We were learning soft skills. We were learning soft skills. Okay, next sentence. I was teaching IELTS. So here in these sentences we have used was and teaching. Here we were, you were. At the same time yesterday, what were you doing? For that you can call it past continuous tense. So in this way we can have a specific use of this particular tense. Okay, now what we are going to do, I will revise it quickly. So that action continued in the past, for that we can use past continuous tense. So structure is subject, was, were, VING plus object. Okay, so here we have seen past continuous tense. So what we can do, we'll have more tenses. Next one will be past perfect tense. So you can just revise it. You can watch this video and please share it, like and subscribe my channel. I'll be there with more videos. Thank you so much.